good, YouTube? What's going on, man? What's going on? Assalamu alaikum. All praises to the Most High. Yes, back with another video. In today's video, I'm going to discuss how did I find trading? How trading fell into my lap. Nobody introduced me to trading. You know what I'm saying? Truck is loud as shit. Nobody introduced me to trading. I found it though. I found it. You know what I'm saying? All praise to the Most High for that. So trading, man, how did I find trading? So I was in Ghana. People who new to my channel, I was in Ghana for 2 years. 2 years I was in Ghana. I bought some land there. I got married till I got Indian. You know what I'm saying? Got married to a little African queen. You know what I mean? So I was there for 2 years. I was good. You know what I mean? So since I bought the land now, I'm trying to figure out I need more income to build my house, man. Because when I was in Ghana, building a house ain't cheap. It's a little expensive. You know what I'm saying? It's a little expensive. So I was trying to find ways to I could raise my income, like investment. You know what I'm saying? I want to invest my money. The money that's coming in for me every month. So I want to invest that. You feel me? So I'm searching it. So I seen like some SoFi banking. You know what I mean? So I knew you could trade gold, invest in gold. Good afternoon. So you can invest in gold, you can invest in silver. I was watching videos like that. You know what I'm saying? So I was doing more research on it. I said, you know what? I already got SoFi in my banking. You know what I'm saying? I already got SoFi in my banking. So I might as well put a little bit of money in gold and silver. That's what I did. I knew like, hey, this ain't it, man. I know this is part of it, but I know there's people out here making money off their phones. They making money off their phones. How are they doing it? You know what I'm saying? How these people making money off their phones? So I'm like, alright. Searching, I prayed about it, man. I'm big on my spirituality, you feel me? So I prayed on it, I prayed. You know what I'm saying? I asked Most High, yo, how are these people making money off their phones? You feel me? So maybe like a month later in Ghana, maybe 2 weeks later, I was searching through YouTube. You know what I'm saying? I was searching the YouTube on SoFi Investments Review. You know what I'm saying? So I want to know how can I just want to see the reviews on SoFi Investment, if it's any good, if this the right way to invest in. And I see like trading videos popping up. You know what I mean? So I see these trading videos popping up, like trading. I'm looking at the thumbnails. I saw the charts. Like, I seen these charts before, man. They look like some Wall Street tech guy making money off this on Wall Street, New York. You know what I'm saying? I thought that's their little type of skill. You feel me? Until I click one of the thumbnails and look at one of the videos, I seen our people, bro. I see our people, man. People who look like me, G. People who look like me. You know what I'm saying? Doing this. Saying, oh, I made $3,000 in 10 minutes. I made $20,000 in 30 minutes. I said, what? Trading changed my life. I said, let me watch these videos, man. You know what I'm saying? So, I'm watching the videos, and I started binge watching it, bro. I started to binge watch the videos, and I was hooked. That was it. I was hooked. I said, say less. I'm locked in. I have to learn this, bro. My spirit tells me I have to learn this. I have to learn it. You know what I'm saying? So that was like back in August 2024. I was in Ghana. Bro, I was locked in. I studied the Candlestick Bible, baby pips. I was taking notes. I was in school again, man. You know what I'm saying? But I got back in school again, G. I was taking notes. I was studying. I'm learning candlesticks. I'm learning wicks. I'm learning support and resistance. I'm learning price action, boy. Bro, I was hooked. You know what I'm saying? I was locked in. I never looked back. 1 year later, now, I'm back in New York. Still the same, locked in. You know what I'm saying? I moved from Ghana, but I still my home though. You know what I'm saying? Ghana's still my home. Got my wife there, my land there, saw me back and forth. But I came back to lock in. You know what I'm saying? I came back to start a business here in New York, so I could generate USD. While I'm back and forth to Ghana. You know what I'm saying? While I'm building my project there. But I'm 100% locked into trading right now. You know what I'm saying? Hold on, these damn people cutting grass. Yeah, I'm back. So, yeah, I'm locked in. I'm locked in. Since then, I changed my whole YouTube channel around. Now it's like trading base. You know what I'm saying? My YouTube channel is trading base. I'm dropping a lot of trading videos. All that. I want to show people this is possible, man. This is some real stuff that they don't teach us, man. You can't find trading in school. You can't find trading in no college course. They don't want to teach people this, because they teach people this, people ain't going to work no more, man. People going to start entrepreneurs, being their own business. And sadly, the country we live in don't want that. They need 9-to-5 workers to make their corporations go around, man. You know what I'm saying? So it's time for us to focus on us, to start our own business and make things pop. You know what I'm saying? And trading, the skill set, it could be a step in the right direction, man. Once you learn this skill set, master the skills, man, nobody can take that skill from you, man. You're always gonna be making money. This is a financial skill set. You know what I'm saying? Once you get good at getting money out the markets, man, you good. You good. You can move anywhere around the world and trade. You feel me? You can move anywhere around the world and trade. As long as you got yourself a MacBook, an iPad, a cell phone. You know what I'm saying? You could trade anywhere. Wi-Fi. You can trade anywhere you want, man, and make money. That's how I was doing in Ghana, man. That first year, the first couple of months, learning trading. Ghana Wi-Fi is slow. And I'm still trying, man. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, it's possible. You know what I'm saying? I'm not profitable yet, but I'm getting there. I'm getting there. I'm doing this TopStep combine. Once I pass this, man, I get funded. Then I start making these withdrawals, man, getting some money. You know what I'm saying? That's coming soon. My TopStep is looking alright. 3 or 4 more wins, man, I pass this combine. You know what I mean? So I'm doing good, man. So I've been 1 year of consistency in the markets. 1 year since Ghana. 1 year of being consistent. I am not slowing down yet. You know what I'm saying? I'm not slowing down yet. This is going to work. I promise you this. It's going to work. Trading is going to work. It's no plan A, B, or C. It's plan A. You feel me? So this joint going to work. That's facts. So I lost a couple of subscribers because my niche changed more to trading. You know what I'm saying? I don't care. I don't care to let my old subscribers leave, because the Most High gonna bless me with some more, man, because this skill set is beneficial for people who want to increase their finances, especially for the people who want to move overseas, who want to move to Africa, who want to move to Costa Rica and on type of places, man. Trading, you learn how to trade, you good, man. You can make money overseas where you at. You feel me? If you getting money every month, let trading be your second income coming in. You know what I'm saying? Like, word, this is this is a powerful skill, man. And me, I know my purpose now is to teach people this skill set, and I will teach people this, how to trade. You know what I'm saying? Yes, I'm 1 year trading, but I've been 1 year consistent. You know what I'm saying? Yes, I traded on a live account. I almost blew my live account, but I stopped. So I started trading on paper trading for a bit. I finished the paper trading. I was paper trading for 4 months. Now I'm doing a TopStep combine. I felt that 3 times. 3 times I felt that combine. This is my 4th time now. I'm a full-time day trader. I can say that now. You know what I'm saying? I'm a full-time day trader. I'm gonna be pretty good, really good at this. And I want to turn this to a business. Teach people who want to better their finances and want to learn a skill, a very powerful skill that could print them money. You know what I mean? So that's what I'm gonna do. So yeah, man, I ramble too much, but that's my testimony on how I found day trading. People, when they put me on to day trading, the Most High did. He showed me where to look. I looked, I found. So all glory, all praise to the Most High. Alright? Assalamu alaikum. We out.